Hello everybody, welcome back to Speakeasy with Anila. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today we are going to be learning how to say I'm good in 8 different languages, including English. But before we start, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video and turn on the notifications bell so you always know when I post new videos. You don't know how much it helps me. Let's start learning. As you can see, we are going to be learning how to say I'm good in 8 different languages: English, French, Spanish, Mandarin, Italian, German, Portuguese and Dutch. Let's start with English first. Repeat after me. I am good, or I'm good. I am good. I'm good. One more time. I am good. I'm good. Now in French. Je vais bien. Je vais bien. One more time. Je vais bien. Well done. Now in Spanish. Estoy bien. Estoy bien. Estoy bien. Now in Mandarin. 我很吗？我很吗？我很吗？ Now in Italian. Sto ben. Sto ben. Sto ben. Now in German. Mir geht gut. Mir geht gut. Mir geht gut. Now in Portuguese. Estou bem. Estou bem. Estou bem. And finally in Dutch. Het had goed. Het had goed. Het had goed. Amazing! You just learned how to say I'm good in 8 different languages. Let's go over it one more time, shall we? Starting with English. I am good, or I'm good. I am good. I'm good. Now in French. Je vais bien. Je vais bien. Now in Spanish. Estoy bien. Estoy bien. Now in Mandarin. 我很吗？我很吗？ Now in Italian. Sto ben. Sto ben. Now in German. Mir geht gut. Mir geht gut. Now in Portuguese. Estou bem. Estou bem. And finally in Dutch. Het had goed. Het had goed. Amazing! Well done everyone, you did great. Well, that's it for this video, but remember, Keep learning, keep on learning. Bye. See you next time.